another rant. Guys, we have a good one today. It's pretty good, okay? But what I want to talk about, like the main reason why we're making this video is less to talk about the hater comment, though that is fun, but mostly to talk about how being aligned relates to your business and how having alignment can actually help you to make more money, okay? So here we are thinking about this concept when, God bless someone named Shofi, comes on in with a hater comment. Okay, this is what he said. This is on a Facebook ad about Safe Design School. He was like, you actually have to cheat someone to make money off of them at some point online. So, no thanks. Okay, let's talk about a few things. One, that's actually just not true. You don't actually have to cheat anybody to make money online. Do people cheat people to make money online? Yes! I can't tell you how many online courses I've bought or different things that are like, oh, that's actually terrible. Like, I was wrong. I was sold something that they didn't actually fulfill on. But here's something that I believe in deeply. And again, I don't care if you think this is hippie. I believe that it is actually a governing law, which is the law of attraction, that what you put out will come back to you. And so I really believe that if you're generous, people will be generous back. If you don't cheat people, you're not going to get cheated back. Like, if you provide value, all's going to work well in the world. One of the things that was amazing, I was working with a client and she was telling me this story because I was like, why do you think you've been able to succeed more than other people? Like, what's been the biggest thing? And I loved her answer. Her answer was like, I have had integrity. And I was like, okay, walk me through that. And she was telling me about the situation. So she started in network marketing. And oftentimes there's always like this thing between like, oh, well, like they came with somebody else, but like they want to be on my team. So should I sign them up under me? And this woman was like, she basically was like, you're dumb. Like, it's not a question of who should they sign up under. There's a right choice and a wrong choice. If they were first introduced to this by someone else, it doesn't matter if they want to be on your team. They sign up under somebody else. It's not, oh, what should I do? It's literally factually what is the right thing to do. There's no choice. There's no choice should they come under my team or should they not. It's just like, just do the right thing. And I love that. And I think so often there's like this temptation to be like, oh, like I should just do this or I should just do this. But something my dad says all the time, there's a story from like back in the day where this like little kid went to the movies and he used to sneak in with his friends. And so he didn't have to pay the nickel ticket cost. And the movie owner ended up finding out and he just basically said to them, he's like, would you sell your soul for a nickel? Like at the end it's a nickel. Like, would you do that? And so my dad says that all the time, like, would you sell your soul for a nickel? So I like, listen, Shofi, like you actually have to cheat somebody to make money off of them at some point online, so no thanks. Like that's just actually not true. And when you're looking to start an online business, you just have to decide what game are you gonna play? Like, are you gonna play the quick win game, like I'm gonna make some cash and I don't care if I cheat people? Or are you going to play the game where you build a company that has longevity that can last beyond you? And if that's the case, you have to play this game of actual integrity. So listen, Shofi, 1, you're actually just wrong. 2, though, there are people that just choose to play a different game. But 3, what we do inside the world of design hacking is we actually show you how to present stories that convert. And the only way that you're going to be able to present stories and get people to buy into them is if they're actually true and if they're honest and they're full of value. So what I'm trying to say, Shofi, is like, listen, I don't know who wronged you that gave you this opinion, but it doesn't have to be that way anymore. So if you want to come play a game that actually works, that actually converts, that you can feel proud about, design hacking is the way to do it. So sorry for whoever wronged you, but come hang out with us.